Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to turn off comments on your YouTube channel. In your videos I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So first what you need to do is go to the YouTube studio or click manage videos. Okay, content, and now you here have video, and you select this which you need, where you need turn off, or you may select all on this page or every, all videos selected. And now you may click on edit and comments, and here you have option like disable comments. Okay, disable comments and update videos, and in a few minutes it will be actualized. Or you may also set it in the future videos, so you need to go in the settings, okay, community and defaults, and here you have option, as you can see, disable comments, and in the future videos you will have disable comments in every video. Okay, and that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. I hope that I help you. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.